Hello, my name is Anya, and today we will use Bubble's official plugin to create a progress bar. Here I have a thing called a task, and it's got completed as a yes or no, a true or false field, and then it also has a name as a text field. I went ahead and added some tasks into the database, and all of them are currently not completed. Here I also have a repeating group, which is displaying all of the tasks in the database because its type of content is task, and then within each cell we are seeing the current cell's task's name, and then I just added an icon, this square icon here, which is going to act as a checkbox. If we preview this, we can see all of our tasks and then our icon. Now I'm going to install the Progress Bar plugin by Bubble. It is completely free, and once it's installed, we see it over here under Visual Elements. So I'm going to drag that and put that at the top of the page. So let's look at this. It's percent. It can be a dynamic value. We can choose to animate the progress, and we have some more options over here, including roundness, border style, background style, and then all of the font options. Now I want this to change based on how many of these tasks are completed. But first, let's set up the functionality to actually complete a task. So when this icon is clicked, I want to add a workflow to make changes to the current cell's task and turn its completed into yes. Now over here on our icon, we can add a condition when current cell's tasks completed is yes. Then we want this icon to actually be this checkbox. Let's try this out. So I can feed the dog. We make changes to the current cell's task and turn it to yes, and we see that reflected. And I can do that for all of these, but I also want to be able to uncheck the task. Maybe I accidentally said that I made dinner when I actually didn't. Let's add that now. We need to use only when conditions. When the icon is clicked, only when the current cell's tasks completed is no, then we want to turn it to yes. Likewise, we want to do the opposite. When the current cell's tasks completed is yes. When the task is already completed, we can say that the task is no longer completed. Let's try this out. Right now, they're all completed, but I can deselect these and reselect them. So that's all working as we want. Let's just set up this progress bar to display that. On our progress bar, we need to add a percent, so we are going to do a search for all of the tasks in the database where completed is equal to yes. Count up how many tasks are completed, and then we want to divide the number of completed tasks by the number of tasks they are. So now we just want to grab all of the tasks in the database, and that's going to be our value. Let's check this out. Currently, I have 3 out of 4 tasks done. That's a 75%, but we're seeing 0.75. Well, let's look at this. It's data source. It's taking all of the tasks, it's counting it up, so it's doing 3 divided by 4, and that's returning 0.75 when we really want it to return 75. So we need to actually take this number and multiply it by 100. And since we're just putting in text, we need to say converted to a number. Let's try this out now. And we see our 75% because it's taking 3 divided by 4, and it's multiplying it by this text 100, which it then figures out is the number 100. One more thing, we can deselect and reselect, and we see this progress bar change. Okay, lastly, let's say I've reached 100%. I've completed all my tasks. Maybe I want there to be something special that happens. What I'm going to do is install a plugin. This is going to be the Air Alert plugin, and in order to find this, we need to select all types because the Air Alert is actually an action, and I'm going to install it. It's by AirDev. You can have whatever thing show up once all the tasks are completed, but I find that this is super easy to test with and it conveys the idea well. So here I'm not seeing an option like when this progress bar is at 100%. So we have to use a workaround. We are going to say do when a condition is true. And the condition that we are going to give is the same condition we have here essentially. We're trying to see what percent of tasks are completed, and if that number is 100, and we need to convert it to a number so Bubble recognizes it's a number. If that number is 100, then we want to just show our alert. You completed all the tasks. Okay, I'm just going to, this is going to be a little wonky, and we see it right here. I actually want to uncheck some of these and do this step by step. So all of this is fine and dandy. Let's look at this. But in addition to setting completed equal to yes, our status bar reached 100%, but we don't see our alert. If we check back here, we have set this to run this just once. So the first time this condition is true, we will see the alert, and after that, it'll just stop checking. So we actually need to say every time. We want to run this every time this condition is true. Right now, it's seeing that the progress bar is at 100% and we see our error alert. Let's try what we tried last time. And we see our alert again. So I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching. Check out my new free 0 to 1 bubble.io course in the description box below.